Hey guys, we're gonna do our fall packing guide part 2. It's already almost November and it's time to get replenished. All right, so we're starting with A7 socks. We have crew socks and we have ankle socks. Gotta make sure you always have clean socks. These are from A7. They're great. It's an exercise company. Highly recommended. We take these all over the place with us. So we next have our subscription to Sprezza Box. It's a monthly men's subscription. Highly recommended. Let's go through our first month subscription. You have a cool passport case. You can also put your business cards in there. Really professional. And then there's a toiletry bag. Now for traveling, you gotta make sure you have a great toiletry bag. Let's go through the second month. This one is in a blue box. Check that out. So this one came with a beautiful wallet made out of leather, really beautiful and professional. And this is a watch. You gotta make sure you make those flights. Look at how cool this is, you guys. It's from a company called Elevon. Sprezza Box showcases different boutique brands. It's an excellent way for men to stay fresh on a monthly basis to make sure you're looking clean, you're looking good for the road, for the office, for the boardroom, for the plane, for wherever life takes you. The next subscription we got is also really awesome. It's called Basic Man. And this isn't a diss. This is the essentials that every guy needs. So let's go through this bag. We have socks, really nice socks. Like I said, you gotta make sure you look fly and professional. We have underwear. Gotta make sure you stay fresh. Always have clean underwear. You gotta have this for the travels. Got a t-shirt, an undershirt. Ooh, it feels so silky, so nice. Perfect for the plane. And then the prior month, we got some more underwear as well. We are so ready for our next adventure. We're taking Basic Man and Sprezza Box on the road with us. Come and join us. But guys, make sure you check these subscriptions out. Sprezza Box and Basic Man. Link in the description. Like and subscribe. Peace.